Hello, Black South Africans. We've been played for too long, guys, and we've been patient for too long. It's over, man. It's over. So we don't have any other future time to waste. Watched our relatives dying with their dreams. We could have died as well with our dreams. God has granted us grace to live. Let us make the best of this time that God has borrowed us. There are many of us who have never gotten our RDPs, okay? There are all those flats in our cities which were given to foreigners. 30 June. I'm making a proposal. Every family that never got an RDP, let's go take our flats back. We will allocate each other a flat of, say, if you are a family of 5, you take a flat of 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms, etc., etc., etc. Kuphuma kungena umuntu, kuphuma kungena umuntu. Sizowabhatala later mase sibuyele nasemsebenzini yethu, and then we've got to pay, all right, and start restoring KCA appreciation of value and the likes. So we take them and then we occupy them. It's not occupation as such, we reclaim them back to ourselves. We've got to own our cities. Our cities must be us, because whoever owns the city controls the province. All right. So akuhambe-ke thina-ke asiphume eMlazi, asiphume eSoweto, asiphume kwaThema Duduza, asiphume eKagiso, asiphume eMamelodi sokugcwala emafletini ethu. All right. And then ke bazozibona ukuthi bona bazohlala mhlawumbe bazontanta emoyeni, and then ke since bazobe bengenayo nendawo yokuhlala emadrobheni ethu, labo baqashi babo will have to find accommodation, which then gives them pressure to fire them in any case, and we go back to our jobs. It is clear for these people to get the hell out of here. One, we drive them out of our townships and we go take back our flats. We stay there, allocate each and every person who never got an RDP to those flats awethu. Right, Nasa Mozambique, that's what they did. They chased out the Portuguese and took the flats. We will do it better than what Mozambicans did. We cast out all these invaders. We take the flats, but now we start paying. We have to pay. There's nothing for free. Eventually we're gonna have to restore payment on, meaning we're gonna have to find ways to earn income, legitimate, correct ways. With our city centers coming back to us, we will be selling our own arts and crafts, the stuff that we couldn't sell on our pavements anymore. Tourists will come and meet us now, not meet Zimbabweans in South Africa, meet Nigerians in South Africa. We're no longer represented. When a tourist comes here, he's thinking we look like Nigeria. They need to meet us now, and then we will dance our own Zulu suit, because you go to other restaurants, like that restaurant which eats crocodile meat, and then you've come and these people come to entertain you, the South African, with your Zulu dance, the Zimbabweans. Enough of that. So sizozidansela isiZulu sethu, sizo-entertainela ama-tourist ngobuthina bethu ezweni lethu. Therefore we'll pay those flats and everything and restore value in our city. So yabona lapha eHillbrow, hayi kufanele niphume impela nje nohlala eHillbrow yethu. Bantu benkosi, fanele niyohlala eHillbrow yethu. Sikhepha sibuyisela umuntu. Chesterville, they once did something like that. Nazi lezazindlu bayazakha abafuna ukuzinikeza abantu base-Chesterville akade beshoda ngezindlu. You know what Chesterville people did? One day they decided to just go and walk and take those houses. They just entered those houses, and the government was never able to chase them out again. So let's go ngey-30 zikaJune, wonke umuntu ongayitholanga indlu from 1996 to date asothatha nama-flat ethu sibe nezindlu bazalwane, baphume singene. Siyabonga.